But the Rotaract has been chartered. It's chartered about 3 years ago, and unfortunately, with your life between 18 and 30, I mean, people get married, people have children, people move, different job opportunities, and so that's how a lot of the members, moved on, and so we were left with about 4 to 10 people that kind of came, and so that's why last year we tried to do a really large benefit for an international organization because the Rotaract's always supposed to do 2 service projects per year. One to benefit an international charity and one large project to benefit a local charity. So I believe we got in a little bit over our heads with the lack of volunteers that we have with the club. So we decided to take a step back and really focus on our membership to build that volunteer base, and then also take a step back in the direction of, and take a step forward in the direction of having Rotary really help us, since they are the ones who, brought this club alive, basically, and helped charter us. So that's where Shiloh and I, all of us put together a presentation. Shiloh and I went and spoke at the Rotary meeting. They meet every Wednesday at noon. We reminded them about us, that we're here to help. There are lots of local charities that people haven't even heard of before. So that's our point. We want to find those charities and try and get the word out about them because they don't have the benefit of having an international name. Yes.
I have 2 questions. I am a college student, so if you need me to advertise, put flyers up, just let me know and I can do that.
That would be wonderful.
And then another thing is, St. Jude's Hospital?
Yes.
What I'm doing is establishing a fundraiser, and I'm doing it every month, and I'm collecting coloring books, for the kids for therapy, because coloring is a great therapy.
Right.
And what I'm going to do is send it to St. Jude's Hospital for the sick kids. So
That would be wonderful if we
yeah.
can kind of work on something